I've killed so many plants because I live in Texas and I can't keep up with the watering. But now I get results like this after building an automated system that lets me come to the garden whenever I feel like it. Stick around and I'll show you how to build your own watering system that lets you build big, beautiful plants just like these. Oh, here, mosquito. All I did was just connect this ratio, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a Wi-Fi connected smart watering system. It turns the water on and off according to schedules, and it's great. So I've got that hooked up to the hose bib, then I've got the hose connected there. This is a 200-foot hose that I got from Vivor, and as you see, I've run my hose to this little Y connector. I got one just so I can hand water whenever I need to. And then I built this with parts that I will show you. So this is a vacuum breaker right here. And then this is a pressure regulator right here. So, and then this is an adapter to adapt this down from 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch. And then it screws on to this little plastic drip irrigation male adapter, so it sticks into here, and then this comes out and you can run water in there, so your water pressure is regulated here. This takes care of backflow. Then I always have this valve turned on, so whenever the ratio comes on, the water can flow through, no problem. And now I've got my drip irrigation line running. I need to pin these down to the ground, but I have them screwed down, anchored to the garden beds. I use Olla Cups irrigation system from Thirsty Earth. There's this bucket here, the irrigation cups. You bury them in there and you run the water to it. It slowly drips water or runs water into these cups, and then the water just distributes out into the raised beds. But say you see it here, comes here. I got a little T connector, a little elbow connection, runs up. There's a bee. Hello, buddy. Get you some water. Runs up, runs across, another elbow, and then there's another little male connection, and then there's an adapter. Now the Thirsty Earth bucket, which is full right now. I didn't have to fill it up at all. That's 5 gallons. This Thirsty Earth bucket it comes with these adapters if you want to run water straight from a hose, but obviously I don't have a hose, so I was using irrigation line instead. And yeah, it's real simple. You follow the instructions, you plug it in, but this is an adapter. It plugs into the Thirsty Earth system. This goes in, the water fills up until it hits a float on the inside of this bucket, and then the water stops filling up. So you can have this water on and running for as long as you want, but once all the buckets are full, no water is going into the buckets. It's great. So I've got this running all the way across, and then you see here, the water comes out here. As long as you've got your valve turned on there, runs down here, fills all these cups, and there's always water. There's nothing growing here because I haven't planted anything, because I have 2 kids and other things to do, and I like to make excuses. Actually, I get distracted on other projects, just like get distracted on what I'm talking about, making a video. So yeah, so you get results like this. I mean, I don't know how long this has been in here, but it's massive. This one died almost immediately. It was really, sad. Actually, it's not dead, but someone out there knows what's going on with this thing. But this one is looking great, and I'm gonna need to get some extra supports. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm making this stuff up as I go, y'all. But these right here are purple sweet potatoes, and they are growing like crazy. But anyway, all right, so check this out. Not this. Oh, just hit my head. Cool. Ow. All right. So I just want you to see the difference. So that's another sweet potato. This is actually one sweet potato. This was the original purple sweet potato, and I didn't pull all the slips off of that one. But these are the other ones. So that's one, that's one, that's one, that's one. They're kind of just doing their thing. There's some asparagus right there. And they are getting watered by the sprinkler from our septic system. Don't worry, I'm not going to feed anybody those potatoes, but it's safe for us to eat them. They're not doing as well. They're doing okay. Don't get me wrong, they're doing okay. But they're not doing nearly as well as the ones on the Thirsty Earth Oya cups. Oh, look at my spinach, it's starting to come in. Nice. But I've got Oya cups all down this lane. It's a baby deer, oh my goodness. What? Y'all, I just found a baby deer. That is crazy. Mama deer loves us. Anyway, enjoy.